A really cozy place. I'd like to order a burger. Be quick. My parents went to this restaurant before, and they never came back.
It's a chow time.
My parents went to this restaurant before, and they never came back.
This place is an urban tale. They have the craziest chef ever.
This is the best burger I ever had.
I'd like to order a burger. Be quick.
I'd like some fries, please.
It's a chow time.
This is the worst burger I ever...
I'd like some fries, please. My friend told me it's a hidden gem.
My parents went to this restaurant before, and they never came back.
Looks like a good food shop. I can't wait for my lunch. Could I have fries with some salt on top? These fries are crispy. Keep it up.
This restaurant got 5-star. I'm gonna try it.
My parents went to this restaurant before, and they never came back. My stomach is a roll! I surrender! Surrender!
Son of a bitch!
A really cozy place. Could I have fries with some salt on top?